Hello mga kakusina, good afternoon. We are here again. Today we are gonna cook Hamsa shrimp, Arabic style. So we boiled the shrimp and then onion, tomato, coriander, green capsicum, garlic. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon shrimp masala, 1 teaspoon Arabic spices, 1 teaspoon curry powder, half teaspoon cumin masala, half teaspoon coriander masala, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So now we will fry the onion. Ay, di pa siya init. Now we will put the garlic. Now we will put all the spices. The Arabic spices, the shrimp masala, the curry, the turmeric powder, the cumin, and the black pepper, and the turmeric. Now we will put the tomato. Mga kakusina, we will put also 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Hello mga kakusina, I put also half a glass of water. Then, I will put the shrimp now. And then mix. Then we will put the coriander leaves and the bell pepper. Then mix.